Hello. So today we're gonna go for a walk.
I keep doing this today.
Today we're gonna go for a walk. We're gonna try 3K or 5K walk because I can't run anymore because of the medication I'm taking. But yeah, we're gonna try to do 3K or 5K walk. So good luck. This is how I'm tracking my walk. It's called Strata. And so far we've only walked 0.10 kilometers. I'm hot.
I'm cold.
I'm hot.
You see? Because I come from Italy. For me it's cold.
It's not cold. It's 22 to 23
Yeah,
degrees.
just give me 10 minutes. I will be like, I'm
And
so
he's
fucking
cold.
hot, and I take out my thing. Welcome to Liverpool.
Drink your tea, drink your tea. Advertise it.
It's a mango Lipton.
Yeah. So they made this Beatles out of jelly beans. Which is cool. All full of sweets.
Jelly beans, not jelly beans.
Jelly beans.
The jelly beans.
That's what I just said, jelly beans.
Bitten by all of them. You're gonna
This
die.
baby jellyfish.
I think you're gonna die if you get bitten by all those at once.
It's so
I
tiny.
like the big one there. Look.
Oh, jellyfish.
There's a really big one there.
Are they dead? Or they're just floating? I think they're
No.
just floating.
Yummy.
So we're the dogs, and so far we have walked for 1 hour 23 minutes. Speed 3.7 miles per
This
hour.
one says
Oh, kilometers.
738 kilometer.
Kilometers per hour, and we did 5.1 kilometers. But what did you say? What did you say?
738 T8.
738k apparently.
It counts also
But
going up and down. The one doesn't.
I will leave my phone because I have my GPS
My one
on.
counts going up and down as well.
But this is our view.
I want to see the guy they're interviewing. Go change the graph. Change. TV in front of us. Babe.
Check videos. Check videos.
I told you what they're doing. I read it on internet.
What are you doing?
It's because the trainer, I think, is changing team, so they change the name of the club.
Oh, okay. Look at him. Just chilling. So cute. He's just chilling. He's not scared. Oh my gosh.
What's happening?
The bird just pooped in front of
I'm
us.
not eating it.
So we're taking a break. We got some snacks from Seoul, the new Korean store in the city center. There's kimbap and a chocolate snack and my child's snack, which is this. We're nearly home and we walked for 3 hours. 10k.
Which is nothing.
Not sure how many steps that is.
I have the steps.
What is it?
It's 17,000 steps, almost
Apparently
almost 18,000.
17,000
It's
steps.
17695.
Nearly 18,000 in the speed of 3.3 kilometers per hour.